didn't even know that the cars were not even in here. That is so sad. I don't even know where to get Autumn Town. It is so long ago. What in the world? That is so sad. Oh look, the rain's working. Oh my gosh, I forgot I was testing that. Thank goodness it's working now. I don't... Wait, no, this is the old version. I'm in the old version. That might be why the rain is working. What the heck? Okay. Let me go and test the rain. What the heck? Poketrainer Juju, thank you so much for the happy birthday. Sen Royale, thank you for subscribing. And Layla. I can't remember, I gotcha. Alright. Let's just wait for the rain. I'm gonna try to be responsible and look at the rest of my list. Oh yeah, and I need to keep checking the chest data. I'm usually not this scatterbrain, but it's hard to stream. Callan, thank you for subscribing. I think it's just something that I need to get used to if I want to keep streaming. Like development, is that I just need to stop getting off track. But there's just so much to show you, you know? Allie, thank you for subscribing, and it was nice seeing you at TwitchCon. She did a panel for Roblox, and it was really, really good. Apparition, oh my gosh, that's a cool